Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem and we will find the values of x and y. So the very first thing we are going to do is here I can just complete both of the squares and I will just write x square plus 1 over x square. I will write here minus 2 and plus 2. Okay, here I only just do one thing, which is I will add minus 2 and plus 2 on both of the terms. Okay, so after that uh, again I will just little bit simplify this term and I will just write this minus 2 as minus 2 times of x into 1 over x, and you know that this x is gone and you will obtain only minus 2, and I will write this plus 2 as it is. Similarly, plus y square plus 1 over y square. Again here I will write this minus 2 as minus 2 times of y into 1 over y, and again this plus 2 is right as it is equal to 4. Okay, after that you can see here this term and this term, so these both terms will becomes the whole formula, and I will write this expression as x minus 1 over x whole square plus 2. This 2 is right is as it is, and here this term will write as y minus 1 over y whole square, and this plus 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so after that you can see in the left hand side plus 2 and plus 2, so it will becomes plus 4, and when we take this plus 4 on the right hand side, then it will becomes minus 4, and this expression will becomes x minus 1 over x whole square plus y minus 1 over y whole square, and this plus 2 will becomes plus 4 is equal to 4. So here you one thing remember is that these x and y is not equal to 0. These both terms are non-zero, and here you see that these four are gone, and you will obtain x minus 1 over x whole square plus y minus 1 over y whole square is equal to 0. Now you can apply the famous addition rule, and you know that if we have a plus b is equal to 0, then we will write it as a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So we just write these both terms are equal to 0. Therefore we have x minus 1 over x whole square is equal to 0, or y minus 1 over y whole square is equal to 0. Okay, I will just write both of the terms is equal to 0, and now we just do some simplification here to find the values of x and y. So in the left hand side, when we take square root on both of the sides, then it will becomes x minus 1 over x is equal to 0, and when we take square root on this term, it will becomes y minus 1 over y 0. Here we take LCM and it will becomes x square minus x is equal to 0, x square minus 1 over x is equal to 0, or when we take LCM on this term, it will becomes y square minus 1 over y is equal to 0. So here this x, when we take this x on right hand side, it will go on, and here we obtain x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, here we obtain y square minus 1 is equal to 0. So now we take minus 1 on the right hand side, and it will becomes x square is equal to 1, or here we will get y square is equal to 1. So when we take square root on both of the sides, then here we get plus minus 1, or here we will get again plus minus 1. So finally we will obtain the values of xy. So there are four possible pairs of xy. So I can write these pairs in the form of 1 and 1. So here x is 1 and y is 1. When x is 1, y is minus 1, and x is minus 1 and y is 1, and x is minus 1, y is minus 1. So here we have these four possible values of x and y. Okay, so this is our final answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.